Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
Hi guys, welcome to the Greedy Trader channel. Well, I'm not exactly greedy, as most of you old watchers of the channel will testify. I have the most conservative approach to trading. It's just a nice parody idea from the Gordon Gekko mantra. There are only 2 kinds of traders, the greedy ones and the fearful ones.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works.
Those of you who are new to the channel, this is where you can learn how to really trade like a professional. Every video I make is packed with real examples with before and after scenarios, so you can see that it is simply a question of sticking with the plan and not changing it because you're having an emotional meltdown. In this video, I'm going to show you how you use market profile to achieve the best results in your trading. Yes, I know there's so many YouTube videos all offering insane results, but seriously guys, how many videos are showing you how to use market profile? Yes, not many. That's because market profile is not known outside of the professional trading community. The only reason it has not widely proliferated the Forex Guru space is because if you want a market profile tool, you need to spend money, and most Forex gurus want you to spend money with them rather than on the things that will make you a better trader. Anyway, I'll stop slating Forex gurus. Let's dive into the video. To start using market profile, you first have to set it up. I have a video covering that. Just check out the description below. Once you're all set, it's time to start with the basics. Market profile is unique because of the way it visualizes the market. In simple terms, a single profile is very similar to a single candlestick bar. For example, a daily profile is the same as a daily candlestick. That's where all the similarities end. A candlestick gives you what's called open, high, low, close data. This means it will show you the open price, close price, the high price, and the low price, and nothing else. I think of this kind of data as snapshot data. It's useful at a glance, but it's not sufficient for building reliable trading models without considerable effort and huge amounts of mental capital. It's no surprise that so many traders are struggling to formulate robust trading strategies. Now think of your market profile chart as the ability to see what is happening inside a candlestick in real time and getting detailed information once the candle is fully formed. Let me explain. The finished candle is after the fact information, but what if you could get real-time information of what buyers and sellers are doing? This will allow you to react much faster to changes in the order flow. This is exactly what you get with market profile. By taking price action and dividing it into lettered period auctions and condensing the information, you can see exactly where most of the interest within the day was positioned. Here's an example. You can clearly see the letters represent auction periods. A represents the first hour of trading for that specific profile, and X concludes the profile as the last auction, giving us a complete profile. If you collapse this information horizontally, you get what is no less than magic, a bell curve distribution of everything the price did during the day. This gives you a visual representation of what traders did through the day with a lot of detail. Here's what that detail looks like. 1. You can see the value perception by calculating where 70% of the price action happened, effectively what was fair value. Essentially, you have a template for what is expensive and what is cheap. 2. You can also see the point of control. As the name implies, this is an area that traders had a particular interest in. It was the most traded price or the mode price. This means you know the price that will draw interest from the largest traders. 3. You can see dramatic shifts between price and value that are often not sustainable. For example, you will on occasion see the price close significantly higher or lower from its value area. Price is now significantly away from its fair value. This is normally short term and will need to be corrected. This is because a large entity has affected the price, leaving orders unfilled. The algorithms will eventually seek out those unfilled orders and thus fill the gap. This can present a unique trading opportunity in itself. There's a lot more actionable trading intelligence that can be collected from a market profile chart. This is what makes it far superior to candlesticks and why it has taken so long to penetrate penetrate less than 1% of the retail trading community, despite dominating 90% of the professional trading community. Every major institutional darling platform from Sierra Charts to CQG all have Market Profile. Market Profile still costs big bucks and is not going to be accessible to traders in countries that have low income. I can't imagine someone with a $500 trading account paying $50 a month for Sierra Charts or $400 a month for CQG. So I built the Market Profile chart you see on your screen and will make it available to traders on request at a far less one-off cost. If you're interested, then join my Discord server. Link is in the description below and DM me your request. Till my next video, guys. Adios.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?